In this video, I'm going to show you how to check the RAM type you have on your computer. Back then, when you want to check your RAM type, whether it's DDR3, DDR4 or DDR5, you have to go to your task manager, go to performance and go to memory. You're going to see it right here. But right now, Microsoft don't include that in their task manager. So what you have to do right now is to download an app called CPU-Z. I'm going to put the link in the description for you to download it. So when you download it, you have to install it. After installing it, you launch the app. Go to the memory section and I'm going to see your RAM type DDR4. I'm going to see the size and the frequency and all the details about your memory. So that's how you check your RAM type on your PC. That's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.